how to make money online from home. On this video today, I'm going to show you some easy steps that you can follow to make money from home as a complete beginner without investing anything. This method does not require any skills, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to search for DeepL Translate. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click on the first website right here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, deepl.com. This particular tool allows you to translate documents to any language that you want. For example, if I type how to make money online, you can see this is the translation of it in Spanish. You can see right here Spanish. This is the English version and you can see this is the translation. If you want, you can just click on it and then select any of these languages that you want to translate your text. You can see a whole lot of different languages. So that is it. You can use it for free before you upgrade. They have a premium version, but you can start for free. If you want, you can also click right here translate file so that you can upload your PDF file or your Word document file or PowerPoint file so that you can translate it on this particular website for free. So now, how do you make money with this particular website? To make money using the tool, what you have to do is that you have to come on this website fiverr.com. Once you're on Fiverr, just search for translation. Search for translation right here. As you can see translation, just click on it. Once you search for translation, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, people are using this same method to make money on Fiverr for free. You can see this one right here. I will translate and add English, Hebrew or Norwegian subtitle to your video. So the fellow is charging $5 as a starting price. You can see this one right here. I will translate English to Spanish or Spanish to English. The fellow is charging $10 as starting price. You can see this one right here. I will do accurate English to Hindi translation and vice versa. The fellow is charging $5 as starting price. As a score, you can see many people are selling this service on Fiverr to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. As a score, you can see many people who are using this method to make money on Fiverr. So for example, let me just click on this one right here for you to see. So let me just click on it. Once I click on it, you can see this person is charging $10 for the basic package. You can see the standard package is $50. When you come to the premium package, you can see $130. You can see right here the fellow has 2 orders in queue, so it means she has 2 orders now that she can perform to earn money. Let me analyze another one for you to see. When you come on this one, you can see I will professionally translate English to Spanish and vice versa. Let me just click on that one for you to see. As you can see, this person is charging $10 for the basic package. You can see the standard package, this person is charging $50. When you come to the premium, you can see this fellow is charging $100. And you can see right now the fellow has 5 orders in queue. So if all the orders are in the basic package, this person is going to earn $50 today. If all the packages are in the standard package, this person is going to earn $250 per day. If all the orders are in the premium package, this person is going to earn $500 per day. This is something that you can easily do using the tool that I have shown you. To create your gig on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, join, or you can just click on become a seller so that you can create your free accounts. It is free and you can join from wherever you are in the world. Once you join, you can start using the free translator so that you can translate any document that is given to you by your client. So it's very simple like that. You don't need any skills to do it. You are going to be using the tool to do the work for you whilst you earn money on fiverr.com. Apart from fiverr.com, you can also come on this website People Per Hour. This website is also a freelance website that you can sell any services that you have to earn money from home. As you can see, writing and translation, when you click on that, just select translation. Once you click on translation, let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see many people have listed their gigs here and they are making money with it. You can see a whole lot of them. When you come here, you can see this one right here, translate English into German, or you can see German into English. This fellow is charging $25. As a score, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, translate 500 words from English to Spanish. This fellow is charging $20. So what you have to do is that you have to also create your accounts on this platform so that you can be using the tool to make money on Fiverr and this website. Don't hesitate, just take the action so that you can be making money from home.